Today I'll be showing you how to eat egg with bread. Okay, what do we call, not bread omelette, we'll call bread egg. Okay, we'll be calling it bread egg. I'll be showing you how to eat that and how to make that. Okay, before then that I need to complete this and this and this and this so that we can have this. Okay, so guys, we don't have time. I have a class right now, so we are doing in hurry. Okay, so it is not actually a big rocket science. Okay, we don't need this type of spoons. Like we need this type of sharp edges spoons. Okay, first step we need to do is we need to bite this, like this, and we need to peel this off. Okay, after peeling it successfully, what we need to do is with this spoon we need to cut it in 4 parts. Okay, this is the one. Okay, and we need to keep like this, and this is the second part, and this is the third part. Okay, done. We need to keep aside and we need to do the work on here. We need to apply our work on this. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to roast 2 breads. Actually there are so many people, that's why I haven't shown you the video. Actually we need to roast 2 breads. Okay, and we need to keep the white bread as it is so that we can keep this jam on this. Okay, now completely on both sides you need to keep the jam. Okay, now as time passes and your stomach get hungry, we need to be applying this egg on that bread. Okay, like this, like this, like this, like this. Actually what I do is I'll be doing these things. So shall we do it? Okay, we'll do like this. It's okay, we'll be doing like this. Okay, so that the feel of the egg will be very good. Okay, so we mix like this and we need to apply a roasted bread upon it. Okay, now we need to do the remaining part. I'll be getting yellow at the bottom. Okay, remember this thing, I'll be getting yellow at the bottom, not on the top, because while eating first you will be tasting the white part and after that you will be getting yellow part, so that it will be very good to taste. Okay, remember this thing, this thing. Okay, the bread egg is done. Eating is an art. Okay, we should not eat like that. We need to open our mouth and we need to gather the saliva inside of our lips. Okay, after that we can eat. Okay, I'm ready. Ek number. I'm getting proud of myself because I have did these things in my life. If you continue this thing for 30 to 45 days, you will be losing your diabetes, asthma, cancer, heart attack, everything. What is it? This is the 8th wonder. Literally, this is the 8th wonder. See this.